Urukiko rubagiraho iri zuba abakansala bashobora ngo abashomesa obutaza mu kibiina kiresera beegi kukora kubi omu bigeze byamuuka. Owahati kurugira ha ripote yashomwa John Kaviji abeegi omu mashomero ga Gavumenti omuri Mbarara City bakozire kubi munonga.
Yes, members, you can receive the document.
Tashobya boneka Rusio Speaker w'orurembo rwa Mbarara yashaba Minisitule y'ebyobwegyese kugira eki bakora ombwira aha abashomesa ba arts kuba ebyobwegyese omuri Mbarara byazingama.
Ministry of Education, we expect this time around to come up and talk about this, address the teachers' issues, and then we have our children back to school, and this is the performance. I've seen it here. It is very clear that in Mbarara City, in Mock, those who were the students, the children that came into first grade, the number I have seen it, only 350. That is very, we used to have 10,000 plus.
Na lower sciences na ndazentare mwento ranguriya re tamuringano zo mwihanga twenda minister w'ebyobwegyese nango kuchira munonga tata witshwenkuru president Museveni aruge yako byeri ntumanguniche basika abantu ababongere senti kare nango echiche nango mushomesa wa arts naweze ngumukakadeka mwene chweka ninga bubiri akotumangwe steka yingana konko mutakutwara miliyoni ina nshakatwara mitwara 5 harumwe imbalance.
Priska Muganzo muhwezi wa Lord Mayor wa Mbarara City yashobora nko kubera rikirire ngo abana nibabasa kora kubi omu bibuzo by'ihanga.
Muri Mbarara City amashomera gutwara biremu abana bamwe bakabumurikire nitureba Piero yerverenia Piero yashikire no kwezi 11 hata ntu expecting ngo abana nibaza kora ki kandi Mbarara City twakoraje abo ko mwaka ko 2023 tukaba abantu bamushanje 2024 twaba abantu bakatano hatogu 2016 akuba kubanza konka tuyino bwoba ako abana tabariyo ne bashoma abana bariyo mu maka nangwa nabamwe abazire private schools zirenze batwara.
Ebyo bikiriaho mbarogwa abashomesa ba Gavumenti mu rurembo rwa Mbarara ni muce munonga nko ku kansala w'abakozi Ben Patrick Twahira yashobora.
When teachers settle down, they will do something to improve, because for us teachers we are trained to always improvise. However, we need to take note and recall that we have been having really a very big gap of schools having less teachers vis-a-vis the required number of teachers.
Omukachiko niko kamwe Gerald Kamuhebwa omwezi wa RCC habwa Mbarara City South ainebi yashobora nshongeji.
The highest number is teachers. Therefore, as the government looks into it with the arts, the teachers and the rest of the other local government workers, we really know that it is something that is supposed to plan for and ensure that they have got a comprehensive plan on how to effect these salary enhancements. And our request is, let us discuss with the government, let us try and ensure that the plans that it has is what we do follow, such that at a point T we get where we are.
Abashomesa bakwegitira mu kigombe cyabe cya Uganda